So, yeah, I have more of these. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So as you just saw, I have more of these little house shadow box pieces of decor that came from Dollar Tree in early spring. I ended up being lucky enough that my daughter Dominique found me a full case of these houses and brought them to me, and so I took a few out to give to a friend of mine and a few for me to use for the holiday season, and that still left quite a few, so I am giving them away to you guys here on YouTube and to some creative friends over on Facebook and my girlfriend Ashley, who is the Thrifty Chica here Facebook group, which is Dollar Tree DIY and Decor. Now, I know you know that Facebook group, and if you don't, you should head over to Facebook and join it, because there's a whole bunch of creative people over there who love to share Dollar Tree DIYs and show how they change them into decor pieces, like these little houses. If you haven't seen any of the DIYs that I did, I made this. This was the first thing I made with the houses. It's a home sign that normally sits behind me here in my videos, and I have pointed it out quite a few times. I love it. I had a lot of pink in my kitchen this year, and I thought it worked really well with my decor. I also made 3 other projects for my best friend Michelle, aka George, and if you've been on my channel for a while, you would have seen her. She has farmhouse style in her house, and so I ended up making her this super long farmhouse sign, and I think it turned out really well. And I know a lot of you guys out there on YouTube made some wonderful design with these houses, and a lot of people over on Instagram showed their designs, and a lot of people in Ashley's Facebook group showed their designs, but a lot of you couldn't get your hands on the houses. So in conjunction with Ashley, I am giving away 4 sets of 4 houses. So you are going to get these, or ones that look kind of like these. You're going to get one of the wide short ones and one tall one medium one, and then either another tall one or another medium one in this giveaway. I'm doing 2 sets of the giveaway here on YouTube and 2 on Facebook. So what do you need to do to win these? You have to be, number 1, a U.S. citizen or resident, not a citizen, a resident. Have a U.S. address, because unfortunately I cannot do this internationally because it's only a $4 giveaway, and I don't really have the ability to pay $30 shipping to send a $4 giveaway. So you have to be in the US, and I apologize to my international subscribers. My last giveaway was international, and I guarantee that my next one will be as well. Then you have to be a subscriber to my channel, because I'm doing this for my subscribers to be able to get these houses so they can do any little DIYs that they want. And I'm giving 4, so you can spell out the word home, or like love, or fall, because we're going into fall. And then next, I am going to link Ashley's YouTube channel down below. You have to go over and subscribe to her channel as well. And then in the comment section down below, say, I want to win these houses, and you are entered. This giveaway is going to end on August 24th, which is 2 weeks from today, Saturday, and I will have the computer randomly choose 2 winners here on YouTube, and I will announce them on the 25th. So that is it for the giveaway over here. But over on Facebook, in Ashley's group, Dollar Tree DIYs and Decor, and I will link that down below as well, you can also go over and enter to win there. There will be 2 winners over there. I know a lot of you guys are already part of that group, so that will work out perfectly. Over there, the rules, however, are just a little bit different, so make sure you read that thread so you get the rules correct. But that is it for this giveaway. I hope you guys are excited about this because I am really excited about this, and if I get more houses, I'll do this again. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.